MaterialCotton. ColorPaper Airplane. BrandHudson Baby. StyleMuslin Tranquility Quilt Blanket. Blanket FormQuilt. Product dimensions 46L×46W. 100% cotton. Imported. Made with 100% muslin cotton. Multi-use blankets. Soft and gentle on baby's skin. Made with breathable, comfortable material. Machine washable. Hudson Baby offers premium quality, stylish baby apparel and products at affordable prices. Our Muslin Tranquility blankets feature beautiful prints on 4 layers of lightweight, 100% quilted cotton muslin. Super soft and breathable, your little one will feel secure and safe without being too hot or uncomfortable, while the extra weight soothes and comforts your baby. Our generously sized blankets make great stroller covers or nursing covers as well at 46 by 46 inches. Each arrives folded and tied with a ribbon, ready to wrap or drop into a gift bag. Top reviews from the United States. Similar to AA Dream Blanket, half the price. I have the AA Dream Blanket and wanted to get another one for daycare. Was trying to find a discounted color and found this blanket. I'm glad I gave it a try. It's half the price of the AA Dream Blanket and very comparable. Maybe slightly smaller, but you can't notice the difference unless you lay them on top of each other. It's well made, lightweight, soft. Very happy with the purchase.